Hello everyone. Today I will let you know about some stretches, some self stretches you can do by yourself at home if you have neck stiffness, shoulder pain, wrist pain or any forearm pain. These are the stretches you can do by yourself just watching this video. First we will start with the neck. Always we have stiff neck, the muscles here is always very tight. So I will teach you some self stretch, how you can stretch your neck. What we will do is, you can just look at the video. We will hold one arm like this, the side we are stretching, and then we will bend the neck. You can see my muscle is stretched.
The muscle here is always very tight.
Yes.
So I will teach you some self stretch, how you can stretch your
Again.
neck. What we will do is,
You can stretch it. You can see in the video my muscles are being stretched. I need to pull my arm down from here. I'm pulling my shoulder down and bending my neck, and I'm stretching my neck here. It's all stretched. Same way, repeat on the other side. Pull down and then stretch. You can see the video, my muscles are being stretched, my neck is being stretched. Hold it for 30 seconds and then relax. This way you can stretch your neck muscles. Now I'll show you how you can stretch your pectoral muscles here at the shoulder. Usually it's very tight always. So what we can do is, we can start with initial stretches. We will not go to the higher grade stretch. So what we'll do here is, take any corner of your wall, which is you can find easily. Just put your arms like this, one step forward, and go close to the wall. This way. Just take whole body with you. What you have to do is, don't lean like this, because if you will lean, your muscles will not get stretched. So what I want you to do is, take one step ahead, place your hands like this and take your whole body with you and go close to the wall. You will feel a stretch here. If your muscles are so tight, you're having these rounded shoulders, you can try this thing first. The second way of stretching this muscle is, hold your arms like this, your elbows attached to the wall, shoulder 90 degree, and now go forward. Take the whole body with you, stretch it, hold it for 30 seconds, and relax. Repeat it again. Take the whole body with you, stretch it. You can see my hands are back, my pectorals are getting stretched, and relax. Now the third advanced stretch for the pectorals is, you need to hold your arms away and then go forward, go close. Here. This is the advanced level of pectoral stretch. With these few stretches, you can improve your posture. Usually we have rounded shoulders, but with these stretches, you will stretch your upper chest and you will have a normal posture. You'll not feel any stiffness all here. Now second, I'll show you the bicep stretch, how you can stretch your biceps if you have any pain at the upper arm. So what you can do is, you can just rotate your hand down and go back as much as you can. You can see my bicep is getting stretched here. Go back, hold your shoulder like this and back. I'll show again. For bicep, just rotate your arm downwards, extend it from your elbow and take your shoulder all the way back. You can see your bicep is getting stretched here. Now the other muscle, tricep. Usually everyone feels tricep pain. Those who are continuously working on the computers have more issues with the tricep, the pectorals and everything. So to stretch your tricep, you just need to hold your tricep like this and push with your hand. You can see my tricep is getting stretched. Take it back as much as you can and relax. Okay, this way you can stretch your triceps. Now for your forearm muscles, usually the flexor muscles here, which is inner side of the forearm, are usually very tight. So what you can do is, just simply hold your hand like this and bend your wrist as much as you can. The shoulder should be at 90 degrees. It should neither be down, neither be up. It should be just 90 degrees. Just stretch it and relax. Again, you can just stretch this and relax. Similarly, if you have any pain at the outer part of your forearm, you can do same way. Just put your wrist down as much as you can and relax. Again, take the wrist down and relax. So these are some simple upper body stretches you can use in your daily life. For suppose like while you are working on computers continuously, so don't work continuously for hours and hours. This can create your body more stiff. So what you can do is take at least 5 minutes of break every half an hour and just stretch your body like this. Do some neck movements like this, then some shoulder movements, some elbow movements, and some wrist movements. This can help you getting flexibility, good flexibility, no tightness, and no muscle pains. Thank you.